Here's my lunch for today. I have some lettuce and a little bit of carrot, taco mince, and some cheese to make a little taco salad to take to work. For breakfast, I'm just having another smoothie. I had one of these yesterday and I realized that will be in the other vlog. However, it has blueberries, raspberries, protein powder, some spinach, almond milk, cream, and ice. I'm pretty sure that's all it has in it. So good. I understand that there might be like too many berries. If you didn't see my last vlog, I lost 1.4 kilos in a week. So that means I've lost 3.6 kilos in 3 weeks. I think that that's right. I know I don't have any lipstick on. I look crazy at the minute. So I'm really proud of that. I said the other day, it makes up for only losing 200 grams the other week. But anyway, if you haven't seen my previous keto weight loss vlogs, I'll leave them down below so you can go and check them out. The one thing is my clothes aren't fitting like they used to yet, but I've still got like about 3 kilos to lose before like I was at that, you know, around 70, 69, 70 kind of mark. So I'm gonna finish off this smoothie and then head off to work. So we got Thai for dinner. So I got chicken with vegetables, cashew nuts in oyster sauce.
Just a standard.
Jean's got pad Thai.
Pad Thai.
Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just having a little cheesecake for dessert. Morning guys, it is, I don't even know what it is. It's about 10 o'clock. I've been up. I woke up at like 5 and I'm like, okay, I'm alive, I'm awake, and I just got up because I'm like, there's no point sitting in bed until Dean gets up in an hour. So I got up and I edited my keto vlog and put that up just now, like it's literally taken that long. I designed also, while I was waiting for it to export because computer problems, my life. I designed little cards to go in with the PR and also the packages, and then my brushes came. So I need to take photos of them. The lighting looks so shit, but these are essentially it. Like, I mean, I die. And here's what, I've just opened one box and pulled some out and had a look at them, and oh my God. And it's like 10 o'clock and I'm like, I really need to eat, but I've got so much to do and I can't be while they're cooking, but I need to make something to eat because like I feel like I need to eat, I'm hungry. But low-key dying. Koki! What do you think of all the brushes? Huh? Koki? Yeah? She's like, when is it my turn to get love, Mum? Did he use the last of the bacon? So Dean used the last of the bacon, so I don't know what I'm gonna have. And I've got no spinach, so I could make a smoothie, but it wouldn't have any spinach because the spinach turned really yuck really quick. Oh, I don't even know. I just wanted bacon with some egg whites. Maybe I'll just make some egg whites. Lunch today is leftover stir fry from Thai. To be honest, you actually probably won't see much of me the next couple of days. I'm just gonna show my food. I have so much work to do and I don't really have time to like sit and vlog and chat. Like, I don't know how this is gonna go, but anyway. This is crazy. Hey guys, today has been a blur. It's like 10:15 at night. I just got home not long ago. My friend actually got me a macaron cooking class for my birthday last year, and we finally did it because her friend was setting up her like kitchen cooking class thing, and it was so good. I'll show you the ones that I made. I didn't take all of them home because obviously I can't eat them. Dean had one and he said it was good, but I also took the best looking ones. There were some that didn't turn out as good. I know last year I tried to make them for like a birthday cake and I failed. Like, it was a big fat fail. But now that I've had that, like, I can probably make them, but it's just making them on the regular. I didn't even have anything for dinner. I went to the cooking class and they had some champagne there, so I had some of that. Today has just been a blur. Like, honestly, I've been working so hard trying to get everything ready for Friday. I've literally tomorrow got to edit like 3 videos and get everything up on the website, get it all running. So wish me luck. Good morning guys. Thursday today, and I woke up again at 5 and it's, oh well, it's nearly 6 now, but I had a shower and I've just been working. I guess I just thought, like, what's the point in just laying in bed? again when I'm awake, and I'm just like, I'm so excited. Like, I can't stop thinking about like the launch and everything. Like, I'm just so excited, but I'm very tired. There's pretty much nothing to have for breakfast. Well, I could have eggs. I could probably have like make an omelette or something, but I don't really feel like an omelette. I made scrambled eggs and bacon the other day and it was so good, and I wanted to make that yesterday and it didn't pan out that way. So I'm just gonna continue working, and I don't know, hopefully I can hold off from having breakfast. Hey guys, it's about 10 o'clock and I just made some scrambled eggs with bacon pieces and cheese. I got my period and I've just been feeling really crampy and I just want something to fill me up. So I had 3 eggs and quite a few bacon pieces. I should probably take just some painkillers so I can stop thinking about the cramps, but I just can't be bothered. And I realized that my week's worth of food that I've had has not been nutritious enough for me. If you're following what I'm eating, make sure you add more vegetables, because I haven't been having enough and I know that. I just am really under the pump right now, so yeah, I can only do what I can only do, and we have like no groceries. So we have some lunch. Thank you so much for cooking, Dean. We've got spinach, chicken, bacon, onion, pumpkin, Dijonnaise, mayonnaise, and some pine nuts and feta. Here is dinner. We have steak and vegetables with garlic butter. Hey guys, it is Saturday evening and we're just having burritos for dinner. Dean's just pouring all the chicken into a bowl there, and then we've got lettuce and carrot, and we'll have cheese as well. But I am going to try the Next Bar sugar-free cola tonight. I bought it the other week and I haven't tried it yet, so I'll try it and I'll show you guys what I think of it. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, it's not great.
Don't forget your old mate Connie.
You're not gonna like it. Do you want to sip for mine?
Oh yeah, better do that first, eh? Oh yeah, yep, you can have that all to yourself.
It's really not great.
I'll have a glass though. Better than drinking water.
Do you actually want a glass?
Oh, I can have your glass if you don't want.
No, I'm gonna have it.
Oh.
It's bad, but it's not bad enough for me not to have it. And here is my dinner. Morning guys, it's Sunday today. I literally have so much to catch you up on, but I don't have time right now. But I just cooked some breakfast. So I've just got scrambled eggs and bacon again. I went and got some streaky bacon because I just like it so much. I didn't even get myself cutlery. And a cup of tea as well. I put 3 eggs in because it is 11:30 and I don't think I'm gonna have time for lunch. So hopefully this will get me through up until, I don't know even when I'm gonna eat again, but it is my beautiful friend Tanya's wedding today. I'm so excited. So we need to leave here at, I've got 2 hours to get ready. We need to leave here at 1:30. I can't believe it's finally here. Hey guys, so we're on the way to the wedding and I thought that I would have a chat with you because the last couple of days has been really hectic. So we had the launch day on Friday and I just like, after our launch, I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know what to do with myself. It was so awkward, but it was such a good feeling to finally have Quartz Beauty out there, and I hardly slept. I was so nervous, I was so anxious. I've been packing orders and getting everything set up. We've spent a lot of time packing heaps of orders and I've been getting the PR stuff ready. I've got all of those PR bags there. People are going to the wedding today. So all of Friday, like, I was so nervous and anxious and excited, and I didn't have anything to eat until about, I think it was like 2 o'clock. It's like, I don't even have time to eat. So I made a smoothie, and then it got to about 7 o'clock and I'm like, okay, let's go get KFC. I was on my period, I was exhausted, I was on no sleep, and I had nothing left, and I'm like, fuck it. Guys, I've got to say, I felt so sick. Like, I mean, I already felt sick because of my period. Talking to Tanya on video chat, and I'm like, I just look like shit. Like I had a heat pack on, like I felt like crap and I was all bloated and sore, whatever. So I had a 2-piece feed from KFC. I had some of the macarons that I made as well, and oh my god, they were so good. But then yesterday I got straight back on it. You would have seen that I had for breakfast and lunch. I didn't mention yesterday, we went to Bunnings, and so I had 2 sausages, but of course I didn't have the bread, and they're really hard to eat without the bread. And then yeah, today just the bacon and eggs, and yeah, straight back on. That's the thing, like with cheating, you've just got to get straight back on it. Because I didn't think that I was in ketosis anyway, and like I've heard and from my experience, I can't lose any weight when I've got my period, so I was just like whatever, which means I guess weigh in on Tuesday, and I don't think that I'll lose any weight, considering I know I'm gonna have some wine or champagne tonight. Like it's a wedding, you've got to have some drinks. Like I feel pretty good, I don't feel too bloated, but I felt so sick after that KFC. Like I woke up in the middle of the night with the worst stomach ache. So just a heads up, not a good idea to cheat. Is this week 4? I don't even know how long I've been doing it now. Anyway, I made it this far without a cheat meal, and I think that that's pretty good. If I had one cheat meal every, like once a month, whatever, that's what I needed to tell you guys. And I've honestly been just so flat out, like I haven't had the chance to vlog, so I knew that this would happen. But I am feeling really happy about the launch of Quartz Beauty, and I'm so proud of myself. Thank you for helping me, Dean.
No dramas.
Couldn't have done it without you.
No, you couldn't.
How did you think it went?
Yeah, it went really well, didn't it? Real positive, and lots of orders, and we got a good system going with our packing.
You like packing the orders?
Yeah, it's fun. See what everybody wants.
Yeah, Dean loves it because I made the pack with everything to say I want it all, and I'm like, who's next, what do they want? And he's like, they want it all. Well, hey guys, last time I talked to you it was at the wedding, and let's just say I had a lot of wine to drink. It was such a fun day though, like it was honestly just beautiful. It was so gorgeous seeing Tanya and Ev celebrate their special day, and I feel very honored to have been there helping them celebrate. So anyway, that was fun, and then I was really good, and I didn't, oh my god, I feel so bad, like I didn't take any photos. So it was the starter, and then there was an entree, and then there was a main. So the starter was, I had a Greek chicken salad. So there was chicken, feta, rocket, onion, cucumber, there was olives, but I didn't have it. And then some dressing. That was delicious, my mouth is watering. So that was keto friendly, which was awesome. So the entree that came out was ravioli. Ricotta and spinach with sauce. I cut every piece of ravioli open and I took out the insides and I ate it. Yep. So I did good with that. And then the main I had, it was a beef rib, and then there was like a bit of roast underneath it. Holy shit, it was like slow cooked, it was delicious, and it had broccoli and asparagus with it, and it came with 3 potatoes, but actually I had 1 small potato. And then as obviously the night went on, the drinks were flowing, and then dessert came out, and old mate had a piece of wedding cake. And I really wanted a second one, but I didn't. Oh, I can't even, I think we were getting home around 12 AM because we had an hour and a half to drive. We were nearly home and I'm like, Dean, I really want some McDonald's fries. So we went through Macca's drive-thru and got a large fries, and they were so fresh and beautiful, and I had them because I'm just like, well, I'm not in ketosis anymore. So today is Tuesday. Yesterday, I'll just put it out there, I was hungover. It was not a great day, and I just fasted until maybe like 12 or something, and I had a smoothie. It's gonna be too many berries. It won't help me get back into ketosis, but I didn't feel like eating anything at that point. I'm like, oh, it's better that I have this than just like going and getting like a McDonald's breakfast with hotcakes or something. And then I got around to like 6 o'clock and I'm like, I need KFC. You know when you just hungover, you're like, I need KFC. So I went and got KFC. So there is the downfall of this week. I do not go out and drink on a regular basis. You would have seen my results this morning. So I put on, what, 600 grams or something. Yesterday when I weighed myself, I was the same as the week before. With all the research that I found, it's nearly impossible to lose weight in the week that you have your period. I didn't deliberately like self-sabotage, like try and have the KFC, like it was a rough week for me. I'm pretty sure that I talked about this. I think it's okay to do something like that as long as you're going to bounce back, as long as you are going to be accountable for your decisions and then jump back straight on board. And I've talked about this and I said usually when I cheat, it's the downfall. And this kind of was, but I just kind of gave up yesterday because I was hungover and I just didn't function well yesterday. Like I did some work in the morning and I went to go to the post office and I was carrying like 6 big bags of parcels. Got to the post office and I knew that I had to send some internationally. One of them was gone. I dropped it along the way and I went back. Oh, it was only a few minutes. I went back, was gone. No one knew. I asked in a few stores, no one knew. I did that and I just came home and I didn't cry about it, but I just was, you know, that emotional that I was so angry at myself. And then I just had a nap. So I just want to say it is okay if you mess up, as long as you get back on as soon as you can and you recognize how different you are feeling. And I think that I think it'll be easy for me to jump back on, but you've got to remember when you do cheat, when you have carbs, that addiction, that craving for those carbs, those sugar, that's going to come back and you're going to have to go through that again. It might not be as bad as it was before, but you are definitely going to have to go through that transition. I've watched Crispy's vlogs. She sometimes gained weight in a week and she would show that she was cheating. I think that takes a big person to be able to put that out there and say, I'm not perfect. I'm human. I make mistakes. And this is life. Like, this is just everyday life. I just wanted to be really honest with you guys and say, yep, I stuffed up and I want to get back on track. And these vlogs are keeping me on track with it and I can appreciate them so much. Let me know your weight loss this week if you have one, or weight gain. Yeah, it's okay to mess up. It's fine, we're human. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this week's keto weight loss vlog and I will see you next week. Bye.